How to translate PDF files into other languages. Hi guys, let's get started right away. So the first thing you want to do is to be on any browser of your choice. Today I'm going to be using my Chrome browser. Now you want to go to the search bar at the top of your screen, and then guys, you're going to be typing in Google Translator. Now I'm going to be tapping on the first option which says translategoogle.com. You want to tap on it. Now you're going to locate where you see document at the top of your screen, and then guys, you want to tap on it, and to select the language you like to translate into, you want to go to the left side of your screen and click on the drop down close to the languages on the screen. You can then go ahead and pick out the language you want, but for me I'm going to translate today into Spanish. Now guys, you want to click on browse file, and then guys, you notice that there are options here for you to choose what you want. Now you want to do that and open. After doing that, you're going to click on translate for this document to start translating into Spanish. You want to click on open translation because it's done translating this particular PDF document. And guys, this is what it looks like. Everything is written here in Spanish, and this is the actual document that is written in English. Now you can see that it did its job. It translated this document from English into Spanish. Now guys, this is exactly how you can translate PDF files into other languages. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.